Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and pose. Okay guys, so I am so excited. I finally got my ring light. I am super happy. I finally get to be have better quality for you guys. Okay, so today, as you can see, we are using the James Charles times Morphe palette. And as usual, we're just taking our little elf brush, and we're going to be packing on 10% off on our crease. So yeah, we're just gonna pack that on, and I'm so fucking excited. I mean, I know I don't sound excited, but you guys, I am so excited. Like, I literally was fucking stalking the UPS man all day. But okay, so we're going to take Code James as our transition shade with our Morphe M441, and we are just going to blend and until we get that beautiful, like, I guess you can say like orangey shade, I guess you can say. But I'm just so excited, you guys. Like, I don't have to struggle no more with my little ass vanity mirror, and it was just such a struggle, to be honest, for real. And then we are taking this little Luxie mini rounder brush, and we are going to take 518 on top of Code James, just so it can add a little bit more of a brightness, and so it won't look so dark, you know, so it could just add like a little pop of color. So then I'm taking my Morphe E27, and we're just going to blend all these beautiful shades together. Okay, and then we are taking our Morphe M433, and we are taking Benny on our outer V. And this is like a really pretty matte black coffee. Like, it's not too dark, and it's not like, okay, it's dark, but you don't get a lot of pigment, you know what I'm saying? It's just a pretty matte black coffee shade, just so perfect. And then we're just going to take this little shading brush, which honestly I should have used a bigger shading brush, but you know, whatever. And we're going to be taking this beautiful like baby blue shimmer shade, and it's called Hello. And this was like the main point of this whole entire eye look, like, for real. I just love this shade. Like, it's so pretty. And then we're going back into that Morphe M433, and we're going back into Benny just to blend out that brown and that beautiful like baby blue shade, you know, just so it can be all in one. And then we're going to take our NYX matte liquid liner. I fucking love this liner. This is my OG. I fucking love this. Okay, and then we are taking our Goddess Collection lashes in the style Aphrodite. This is like my ultimate favorite eyelash from like the entire eyelash collection that they have. This is like my favorite one. It's just so pretty. It's so fluffy. I don't know. There's something about it that I love. And then we are going to take our Tarteless mascara, and then we're just going to use this to blend our regular eyelashes with our big bossy lashes. And then we are taking our Clinique 72-hour moisturizer. I freaking love this shit. This shit is so bomb. And then we're going to take our Pond's moisturizer also, because like during the winter my face gets so dry and I just hate that shit. So I'm using both moisturizers and then, you know, just spreading it out, I guess. I guess, whatever or whatnot. And then we are taking my ultimate favorite primer from Dr. Brandt. I think it's called the Luminizing Primer. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I love this. Your makeup will not go like, ugh, it's just perfect. I love it. I want to try a new primer, but then at the same time I'm like kind of scared. What if it don't work? You know what I'm saying? And then we are taking our Maybelline Dewy Foundation in the shade 235. I love this foundation. I have the Maybeline Fit Me one, the 24-hour one. I mean, it's good, but I don't know. Sometimes I feel like it's a little bit too matte. I don't know. I love this Dewy one though. And as you can see, I fucked up my spritz on my Cover FX setting spray. Or not setting spray, it's like luminizing spray. I fucked it up. I don't know how. But instead of like, you know, like doing like a normal spritz, it just squirts. So, I don't know. But I use it to like damp my Real Technique sponge. And it just adds like tiny specks of sparkles. So it even looks a little bit more dewier. So. And then I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium tan. And we're just going to highlight the high points of our face. So yeah, just blending it out. I'm going to blend that out with a little tiny Real Technique sponge. So. And then we're going to be using our Luxie brush. I forgot what brush this is, but taking that Derma Blend setting powder and just going to set wherever I concealed. I love this setting powder. It's a really good one, and I got it on a good deal. I think I got it for like $16-17, I think, when it was on that 25 days of beauty at Ulta. So I love it. And then as usual, we're taking our banana powder from Revolution. I love this powder. It's so good. And then we're just taking it on a BH Cosmetics brush. I don't know what number. The name done wear off already, so I've had these brushes for like a while already too. I got them on sale too. BH Cosmetics is the shit with the brushes also. So we're just going to be setting our whole face. And then we're just gonna sweep all the excess powder away. I love this like pointed brush. It's so good. I can get like, you know, down into my under eye. Oh, it's just good. So good. And if I keep looking down, I was watching Alanized while I was doing my videos. So, if you watch Alanized, you know he's the shit. He's so funny. Okay, so then we're taking a Luxie flat brush, and we're just going to take, I believe I used 518 in Code James under my eyes. So, just to add some color on our bottom lashes, bottom lashes. And then taking my Physician Formula's Butter Bronzer. And I'm just using a brush from like this brand called Crown. So, yeah, I love my Butter Bronzer. And one thing before I forget, on my eyebrows, instead of using my Ardell pomade, I used T from the James Charles palette for my eyebrows. And low key, I kind of love this better than my Ardell pomade. Like, for real, it's good. It's good. Okay, so then I'm taking blush from the brand Note on a Luxie. I believe it's like a high. Ooh, and I added a little bit too much. Ooh, girl. I went a little bit too harsh on there. But yeah. So I just tapped it off even more. Okay, and then we're taking this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I got the little travel size just because I wanted to try it out and see what was up. I like it, but I don't like the smell. That's the only thing. Okay, and then we are taking our Nicole Guerrero times Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. I believe I'm using Glow Getter and 513. I can't exactly remember, but I'll leave it down in the description bar below. I love this highlighting palette. It's so pretty. And on top of that, I love Nicole. She's like the ultimate OG YouTuber. So she is the shit. I love her so much. And like I said, I'll keep looking down. I think I was watching Alanized or Louis, one of those two. And then we're taking the ColourPop times Bretman Rock lip liner and also the Ultra Satin lip. I love this combination. I fucking love it. I know the lip liner that's already like a lip liner from ColourPop, but the lipstick, I think, not the lipstick, the liquid lipstick, I think that's the one that he created. I forgot that name also, so I'll just leave it down in the description bar below. So yes, I've been wearing this lip combo for quite some time now because I love it. It looks so like natural. It's not like too much of a bright nude and it's not like a too dark. It's like in between, you know. I love it. And Kumquat, oh my god, I love the lip gloss. It smells so freaking good, and it's not even like too sticky, and it doesn't like the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. Like I love it, but at the same time you can kind of feel like the little glittery parts. I don't like that feeling. I feel like it like scrapes my lips, but on this one it doesn't. So, and then we're taking this Tarteless, I think, liquid lipstick, liquid lip gloss. I can't fucking talk, you guys. So we're taking this one, and I got it in this month's BoxyCharm, and one, it smells super good, and two, like I said, it's not sticky, and you can't feel like the little sparkles of it either. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys loved it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.